Is it time to clean your spa? This rechargeable scrubber could help. Watch this product review to learn more. If you own a spa, swim spa or pool, you'll want to invest in good cleaning tools that get the job done with minimum fuss. In this video, I'll review this rechargeable scrubber, including its pros and cons, pricing and more, so you can decide whether it's a worthwhile investment. But first, what exactly is this handy device? It's a cordless, rechargeable, handheld brush that can be used to clean the waterline of your spa, swim spa or pool. It can even be used to clean a range of other stains, marks and hard surfaces, including walls, floors, tiles, grouting, even the car or boat. What are the pros of this rechargeable scrubber? Lightweight and ergonomic design, which means it's comfortable for most people to hold. It's completely waterproof and submersible. Handy USB charging that will give you 2 hours of battery life. High torque, so the speed and power are maintained even when pressure is applied, which means less work for you. It comes with a range of attachments for cleaning different surfaces, including a scrubbing brush, melamine polishing attachment, scrubbing pad and scouring pad. Anti-slip silicone sleeve with highly elastic safety cord, so it's safe, stable and doesn't fall off easily. And what about the cons? Are there any negatives? It was hard to find any drawbacks, but one could be the price. Retailing it around the $200 to $300 mark, it could be a little bit pricey for some people. If budget is a consideration, you could go for a manual scrubbing brush or a non-scratch spa cleaning pad. Also, like any electronic device, it may require some maintenance or replacement parts over time. So how do you use this rechargeable scrubber? Once you've read the user manual and charged it up, we recommend using a bit of pipe degreaser as a cleaning agent. Just pop a little bit on the end of the brush and away you go. Pro tip, pipe degreaser is a handy product for spa owners to keep on hand. Not only can you use it when cleaning your spa, but if you're going to empty your spa, you can use it to clean the spa pipes before you dump the water. Learn more about this rechargeable scrubber and other spa cleaning tools in the description below.